Come on, let's do it. Oh, that was so cute. Oh, good girl, Lily. Good girl. Oh, she's catching some in the water.
Daddy, she's coming to you.
Come on, that's right. Come on, Lily. Go to the rock. Go to the rock. No, go to the rock.
Go to your rock. Hi, honey. Hello, baby girl. You're doing so good. That's why I have my water shoes on. Water shoes. I have razor grass stuck in the bottom of my foot. I can feel the spine. More surface area for floating. Oh, Lily! You just went way under, honey bunny. Oh, my babies.
Oh, you farted.
Oh, someone farted. What was that? That was foul. Lily, where are you going? Bro caught a leaf. Look at Bro, don't eat it. Oh God, that was funny.
Share the rock.
Oh, I got it on film. Thank heavens.
For dunking and diving?
No, of Bro catching that rock. Bro, I think it swam away.
I know, I think the
Honey.
water keeps going back that way and that way. Because the water
Hey,
gotta
look,
come
I
from
got you.
somewhere. What's up there? Well, what cave?
Oh, I'm falling. Is Corona okay? She looks terrified. You're okay, honey bunny.
She's fine at Fargo.
Because she can walk in. I think it's scary when they can't walk in. Our dogs are doing better than I expected. Are you proud of them, Mike? I can't believe you just dumped her in.
Ow, bro.
She's oh, it's okay, Jenny. Did you see anything? He's such a graceful swimmer.
Bro, where are you going?
He's done. Julia, did you get in yet? Get out here, lady. Lily.
Bro.
He did good. I'm proud of him. Whoop.
She's trying to get out of the road.
You're okay, honey.
Chewing on my toes.
Really? Ew. Lily, I'm coming. I'm coming, honey bunny. Hi, baby girl.